Do you need your own product to be an affiliate marketer? Hello folks, and welcome to the channel. Since affiliate marketing's inception, the topic of whether or not you need your own product to be a successful affiliate marketer has been posed and answered every few minutes. The question is frequently asked, since everyone has a different answer. There are many who believe you must have your own product to get started and succeed in affiliate marketing, and there are those who believe you do not need one to get started or to be successful in affiliate marketing. So, what is the answer? The fact of the matter is that everybody is right. Having your own product is great, but it isn't absolutely necessary. Those who have their own product can build a website around it and add affiliate links to it. Those who don't have their own products can still create a great website and be an affiliate marketer. Producers of products love affiliate marketers, and products are not the least bit hard to find. Below are a few reasons why you might need your own product. It's easier to stand out when you have your own product. It enables you to employ the most effective marketing strategies. It gives you a skill and knowledge boost. It strengthens your company's long-term viability. It generates true fans in a shorter period of time. Those who have their own product and those who don't have one thing in common: they must both be enthusiastic about the items they offer. You'll never be able to sell something if you're not interested in it yourself. To be successful in any activity, you must have drive and ambition, and affiliate marketing is no exception. To keep your desire and ambition alive for the long run, you must be enthusiastic about a product or a concept. Whether you're selling your own product or someone else's, your success is determined by how good your marketing strategies are, how focused you are, how effectively you manage your time, and how deeply you believe in the product. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, give it a thumbs up. See you soon.